So today I'm in a Porsche GT3, and I'm just giving you a point of view. I got my phone strapped to my head. It's crazy. It's not even a GoPro. You might think it is, but driving the Porsche 911. Feel me? Pro charger on the back, lowered, and it's wrapped. That's what's done to it. So just giving y'all a quick point of view. Y'all see that 350? That joint a hoagie. His exhaust, one tip straight, the other one. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, scared. Too scary. Falling off. That was bad, y'all. That was bad. I was hesitating. Don't ever hesitate. What I just did just now, don't do that, y'all. So bouncy rear. Hit them curves smooth. I'm scared that, I don't care if it's all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, I'm scared to hit them curves fast. I would never do it. Like, I was never one of them. Call me scared, call me whatever you want to call me. It's always something. Damn, bro wanted to have some fun. Had a little fun with the 350. Can't go nowhere. We can put it back in regular drive. But how y'all day going? Feel me? I did two prom send-offs. Well, the first one wasn't a prom send-off. It was a 8th grade dance joint. I dropped them off to South Philly. And I went to a prom send-off. Second joint was a little send-off, quick little joint. So feel me? Now I'm here driving the Porsche. Give y'all a POV. This joint heavy though. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Like, see, I'm turning. Y'all see the camera shake? It's heavy. Like, it's heavy on my head. I don't know about all that. I don't like all that. Bro, it's an accident, bro. It's always something over here. Like, we could just never chill. It's always something. Oh, somebody make. Hold on. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. Oh, Kia. It's a Kia. Y'all see it? Alright, back to driving. Yeah, so that's all I did today. I went to Juma. Feel me? After Juma, I went home. Now I'm here in the Porsche driving. Just chilling. Feel me? But I'm gonna end it here though. Probably pick it up later on tonight. I gotta do a little quest for y'all. Side quest. Pick it up then.